Before we begin, you'll want to lay out all of your tools, hardware, and components. First, for safety purposes, roll down each window. Then, using a screwdriver, Allen wrench, or something similar, flip the door's lock latch to fool the door into thinking that it is closed. This will ensure that the interior lights are not on while the tube doors are installed. Next, disconnect the wiring harness. Then remove the torx screw from the swing stop. We recommend leaving the swing stop extended as it is difficult to pull back out. If you are storing the doors for a lengthy period of time, you might want to push them back into the door to protect them from breakage. Next, remove the bolts from the top and bottom hinges. These two bolts will be used to reinstall the tube doors. Carefully remove the doors and place aside. Next, align the tube door over the hinges and slide into place. Keep in mind that the vehicle hinge placement may vary just slightly. The tube door hinges might not slide right in. Using the screws you just removed from the door, screw the tube door into place. The door latches come pre-loosened as to account for any slight angle variance. Align the door latch and tighten the bolts on the latch bracket. Repeat the same process for the other doors. It's important to review your local laws before venturing out on any road with your tube doors installed. Use these doors at your own risk.